Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Cobo Wallet account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. In order to delete your Cobo Wallet account, first thing to do is to launch open Cobo Wallet app from your app drawer and log into your account. After you are signed in, navigate to the Me button at the bottom right hand corner and tap on it. Now select Account and Security from the list. At the bottom of the menu, tap on Account Cancellation. In order to ensure and delete your account, you will need to provide some of these verifications. Ensure that your account is secure and not at risk of being stolen. Your account has no active transactions, example crypto trading, lending, borrowing, or purchases, and make sure your account balance is zero and not in a negative equity. If you have funds left in your account, you can always transfer the fund to one of your trusted wallets. So once you've ensured all of these, tap on this little circle at the bottom and tap on Request Cancellation. Confirm all of the items that has been displayed on the page by tapping on the circle. Make sure all of the circles has been checked. After you are done selecting all of the following items, tap on Confirm and enter your payment password. And now you have successfully cancelled your account and has been logged out of your wallet. So that's how you can easily delete your Cobo Wallet account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.